Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are just stepping into the world of software testing and wondering how to begin your journey in automation testing, you are in the right place. I am Leena Francis and I have been a part of this industry for over a decade. As a consultant, automation trainer, college professor and subject matter expert, I have had the privilege of training individuals at every level, from college students to seasoned professionals with 12 plus years of experience. And you know what I've seen consistently? A massive disconnect between what's taught in colleges and what's expected in the real world software industry. Most students are handed outdated material, unclear roadmaps, and zero exposure to real time challenges, and then expected to magically thrive in high paced tech teams. That's exactly why I'm here, to make automation testing simple, structured, and beginner friendly. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through where to start, which tools matter most, and how to build a strong foundation in automation testing. So if you have been confused by where to begin or overwhelmed by all the tools out there, don't worry. We are going to break it down step by step. There are many students that come up to me as to what are the tools that they should be learning, how exactly we are supposed to choose a tool and study for software testing. So I've come up with a video where it will help you to understand that which tools are available in the market and what you should be picking up for your interview preparation to get into automation testing. So the way I have represented these tools are the way I take trainings. I give this basic chart for them to follow, for them to know what they are learning and why they are learning it. And this will help you people also, even if you're beginners, to have your roadmap carved for you if you're getting into testing field. So let's get started. We have tools that I have mentioned on the screen. The very first tool that you see is UI testing, that is user interface. So very popular, we know about it, we have heard about it a lot. So if you're trying to get into automation testing, Selenium is something that you should pick up. Okay, so we have Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium Cypress is again something that you can pick up for your UI testing. The second is unit testing tools, very important, because as developers also, you develop your code, your softwares into one particular language. So we talk about suppose Java or maybe Python. It's not just development, you perform your testing also simultaneously. So for testing, the two tools I would suggest you should be referring to: for Java, you have JUnit and TestNG. For Python, I talk about PyTest and UnitTest. If you are trying to code in Python language, companies prefer developers who perform testing as well, white box testing. So if you are trying to perform your unit testing, you can focus on these two tools. The next we move on to API testing. Okay, application programming interface. So when your two applications are interacting with each other, we have API, we call them APIs, right? There's an interface that is helping my one application to get through to the second application. So I perform testing on that. And the two tools that I would talk are Postman and Rest Assured. Any one of it can help you to be well versed with API testing. And then we have is test case management, Jira and Test Trail. Basically, Jira is a defect tracking tool, but we keep it for test case management. I highly recommend you to work on one test case tool. Okay, so you can pick up one. We have performance testing. Two tools that I keep insisting on is JMeter and Roadrunner. Expect interviews or job opportunities which are based on these tools. We talk about CI/CD pipelines. Many students I see who come for training with me for automation, mainly they would just focus on Selenium. They'll just come up with one tool saying that, ma'am, I need to work on this tool or I need to learn this tool within so and so days. But it doesn't work that way. You cannot just pick up one tool and learn it. You'll have to bifurcate your areas of testing, and based on that, pick up one tool each and then study that. So if I talk about CI/CD pipeline, you have Jenkins. Don't skip them. And then collaboration or version control, we talk about it a lot. There are a lot of videos that I have made on. And work on your GitHub. Okay, so GitHub will help you for version control. Whatever projects that you prepare, if you want to collaborate it with, you will have GitHub coming into picture. In 2025, not having GitHub is a big no. Okay, you need to create your GitHub profiles. You need to load your projects on GitHub. Learn about how you connect if you're working on Java programming language, how you're connecting your Eclipse with your GitHub, how your GitHub is connected to your Jenkins. Study that will just help you more. If this video helped clear up your confusion around automation testing tools, go ahead and like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to guide you. Until next time, keep learning, stay hands-on, and let's close that gap between education and industry together.